Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today I want to show you guys how to make a fertigation system and what the item that you must have when you want to make a fertigation system. Let's go. Alright, so the first item that you must have is a pen dripper, because the pen dripper is an important thing, like you can see here. So it will be like this. So yeah, you must have pen dripper for fertigation system. So the second item that you must have is the hose, because the hose will be connection with the pen dripper like this. Like you can see, it will be connect like this. So the second item that you must have is this hose, the blade hose. So the function for this hose is it will be connection with the pen dripper like this, and it will be fixed like this. So for the pump for water is we use this brand submersible pump. So like this. So this is the pump that we use for our fertigation system. So the next item that must have for fertigation system is we have another hole, maybe another hose, but the hose is different from the first one that I show. So it's a little bit from the hose that I show, and then we custom for the what we call Alright, so the next item that must have for fertigation system is this hose. So the hose is different from the first one that I showed to you guys. So the hose is a little bit big from the first hose that I showed, and then we custom the end of the hose. We put a pen to make sure that the water will not come from this hole, the hose. Alright, so the last one is the hole puncher. So the hole puncher function is you're gonna punch the hole in here and make a hole in this hose. Okay, so this is function of hole puncher. Alright, so the first step, you must use the hose first, and then you must use the hole puncher to make a hole in this hose. So yeah, you can see like this. You just put in the hose, and then you just do like this, and then it will be like this. Okay, so like you can see in the camera, I already have a hole in the hose. Alright, so after you already make a hole in this hose, you take another hose, the small one hose, and then you take the pen dripper, this one pen dripper, and you make a connection with the hose, the small hose. So it will be like this. Okay. Alright, after you finish, you make like this. You take the first hose that we already make a hole in the hose, and then we find back the hose that we already punch. So where so alright, right here. Okay, alright, so you take this one and then punch in this hose. Okay, alright, so after finish, it will be like this. Alright, so this is the orang bilang. Alright, so this will be alright, so after you finish combine all the thing that we already make in the first step, so it gonna be like this. Okay, it's gonna be like this. Alright, so after you already finish with the hose, we take the pump, and then we take the end of the hole right here, and then we combine it, and yeah, we're gonna show you guys the progress, the fertigation system that we'll make. Okay. Alright, so after we finish combine our hose with the pump, so we're gonna put this pump into the water like this. Okay, right, and then this pen we're gonna punch in the like this. Okay, right. So after we already make like this, we're gonna on the switch. Alright, so like you can see, the water is out from this pan. Right? Okay, these two and this one too. So that's all from us. Thank you very much.